This is a Sörbo end clip, look like a little boat. And on the opposite side it has two bumps. This goes in front of the squeegee rubber on the side. I like to show you here on the black mamba first. This is how you take this. Just pull the rubber and the clip will come out. In order to get it in easily, you want to wet the squeegee rubber. That way the clip slides in easier. Bend the squeegee rubber in the end here, and then I insert the clip just like that, and then I let go of the rubber. You also have the quicksilver squeegee here, and it has a 40-degree angle on one side so it doesn't scratch the frames. And the same thing here, the end clip is on the front of the squeegee, and you just pull this, and that way it makes it easier to get the clean clip out. Same thing here, pull the squeegee rubber and the clip comes out. Turn the squeegee rubber over, and as you know, you got 4 different, and just remember that the squeegee size is 36 up to 7 to 8 inches. You put in the second setting. That way you don't have to press so hard, and now that's better. 6-inch squeegee doesn't even work on the squeegee rubber all the way in here. But this is a shorter squeegee, so you put it in all the way in. And then what you do, since the squeegee rubber is wet, bend the end of the squeegee, this, and then put the end clip in front and push it in, and then let go of the rubber. Now let's say you put the rubber too far in, just pull it out a little bit, adjust the clip, and you have a 1/4 inch outside. If you pull it out too much, you can actually put your finger here and pull like that, and then just correct the end there, and you have 1/8 of an inch sticking out. Same thing in this end. Bend it, push the clip in, and that's how I do it. That's a little bit too far out, so I push it in, pull it in, and there we go, we got the right adjustment. And the plug squeegee is the same. Now the squeegee with the plug has a built-in end clip in one. You have an end clip, exterior end clip in the same side as the website. So the same thing here, pull the rubber, now I like to show you in the opposite end here, you have a built-in end clip, and that's in the plug itself. So actually what you have here, you have a tight spot in the plug itself, so when it's hard to pull it through, so you have to force it. You sort of have to force it through here. And that will keep the squeegee rubber in place. And that's the same end as the Sörbo logo is. Actually, you don't need 2 clips in this squeegee channel, but some people prefer 2 clips. So what you have to do in the opposite end, you have to bend the rubber again backwards and slide this just like that, and then let go. And that's the way that works.